Good morning, everyone. So this is Maribel Aquino TV. We are here in the kitchen area. I will show you on how to cook the different way of cooking the eggplant using the breadcrumbs. So stay tuned and watch this. Guys, I got the eggplant with this size. So I will show you on how to do. So just put it like this. Just like that. Then you can see. Then here also. Yes. Same with the other. It's up to you if what sizes you want. For me, guys, I already prepared the materials using for cooking the fried eggplant. Using the breadcrumbs with 1 piece of egg. And of course, preparing also the said eggplant. Okay, so just watch this. And I already prepared the frying pan with oiled cooking oil. So let's do this. So you can just wash your hands. So you know, guys, if your family doesn't like to eat this eggplant, so if they can see this, they really like to taste. Yes, see how different. So it was already, yes, so just put like that and wrap it here. See that? So see that, guys? So I will show you when finished. Yes, guys, this is it, my finished product, my Taiwan fried eggplant. So see that? Tastes so delicious and look different in our eyes. So just try this in your house. So if you can see, the presentation is not too perfect because maybe I just don't know how to mix perfectly the breadcrumbs with egg. So this is just a simple way on how to cook, another strategy on how to cook the eggplant. So I hope you guys, you really enjoy to watch this cooking and you learned something new. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So if you can see this one, guys, that is the leftover mixturing the breadcrumbs with egg I use in fried eggplant. So Jaran, see that? Yes, so I just can eat this one without the rice. Yes, so this is already heavy meal. See that? Wow. This fried eggplant, I just taste this from the restaurant here in Taiwan. So I hope you guys, you learn something, another new of strategy on how to cook the eggplant. That those children doesn't like to eat the eggplant. If you will do this way, so they will like this taste, really. So just try to your home or to your house and your family will taste this. Looks so different and looks so delicious. Okay, so Happy New Year, everyone. Wishing you a peaceful New Year. So God bless us all. Bye-bye.